Hi guys, you are welcome to another FS Studio tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a hard log drum, how to make your log drum to sound very hard. So let's go to FS Studio.
So yeah, this is a beat I made in FS Studio, and this is how it sounds. So let's start afresh.
These are the beat sounds. So guys, you can see in this beat the log drum is here, so it's not sounding that loud. See, okay, I think this is a different and entirely. Let's play it from here. I have two log drums here, so this is the first one. So you can actually twist your log drum and get it the way you want. So in order to make this log drum sound hard, you have to come to this setting and you left click. So when you left click, there's volume here. You turn on the volume, and you can now come back here to get to make it more hard. You turn on the int to make it more hard. To make it go slower, you turn on the release. Or to make it sound whoopy, you go with the sustain. To make it less whoopy, you reduce the sustain and the time to give it extension. So as you can see how the thing sounds now. So let's combine this one and this one. So this one, here we are. Let's reduce the sustain. So let's add both of them together. And let's add volume to this one too. Let's now hear it together. Okay, thank you guys for watching the video. Follow, share and like, and wait for more value videos as we drop value videos every day. Thank you.